Hi, what's up, guys? Today I will show how to create Google My Business page. Google My Business page is very important for any business, especially for local business. Today I will create a Google My Business page for this website, for this business, for this business. Open in a new tab. No, new tab. You can write here or this box, and also this box you can use to write something. Now I will write Google My Business page. Google My Business. Google My Business profile get listed on Google. Click this one on this one and then get started. Start now. Business name. Start building your business profile. Business name. Seneca Shoes. Seneca Shoes. This one. Business category. E-commerce service, e-commerce agency. E-commerce service. Then next. Do you want to add a location a customer can visit like a store or office? No, because we have online business. Then next, where do you serve your customers? Add areas where your business provides deliveries or home and office visit. This will appear on your business profile. Location, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Dhaka, Bangladesh. This area. Okay, next. Phone number. This is our phone number. Copy and then paste it here. Website. Website is optional. If you have no website, no problem. Then click next. Please enter your mailing address to verify. Street address. Block A, Lalmatia. We can take from here, paste it, and postal code. No need to use this part. Then next. Phone code, get a code via text or voice call. Email code, business video. Select a way to get verified. We select email code. Change option. This is business email, but we have no business email. So phone code is good for us. Then click next. Text message or call. Text message is good. Then next. Verify. Okay. Customize profile. Add business hours. Sunday. As it is online shop, so we can keep it 24 hours. Then next. Customize profile. Add business description. This is our business description. Copy and paste it here. This is our business description. 750, but we use 433 word. We can use more. Seneca shoes. This is our business description. Then next. Add a storefront photo. Select it. Add the storefront photo. Sneakers. Add more photos. Then next. Add photos of your business. Select image. Then next. Customize profile. Advertise easily in minutes. We skip this part. Customize profile. Skip also. Your edits will be visible once you are verified. Then continue. Okay. Your business on Google. Profile strength. Edit profile. We can edit from here. Edit reviews, read reviews, photos, post. More option we can edit from here. You manage this business profile. Sneakers, shoes. Website, share, call, save, phone, hours, edit your business information. We can edit from here. This is very important for local business. Location. This map shows us location, what we have already included in this profile. Also, we can change this location or information. Edit profile. If we click here, then we can change from here. More information can give. We can add with it. Payment method, everything. Contact, website. We added its social media. Add here. Select profile. Facebook. Then web address. Paste. Then save. Pending. Business location. In deliveries and home services only. No location. Okay. Service area Dhaka, Bangladesh. Good. Now our business is visible on Google. It is free, but it is very important for business, for any business. Bye bye. See you next.